In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling to click on security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock. Hit face unlock here and enter your current login method. Now tap on setup at the bottom right corner. Confirm your choice by hitting setup again. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage those two options however you want to, and when you're finished, hit next. Then select done. And now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!